Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn how to see or find product key in Windows 10 without any software. We'll just use one simple command which will show us our product key in Windows 10. So remember, if you don't have any genuine copy of Windows, you will not get any product key. And if you guys are fresh installing Windows 10, just give the Microsoft account which was linked with Windows 10, then our Windows will be automatically be activated. So let's get started. First of all, press Windows and Q at the same time, or go to this search button here and type in CMD. You will see command prompt here. Right click in it and run as administrator. Click here. Click yes. Then here is our command prompt. So the command here is quite long, so I'll just leave it in the description below. Just go there, copy it and paste it in your command prompt, then you will be okay to go. So the command goes like this: wmic space path path space software software licensing L capital ICENSING service S capital ERVICE space get GET space capital O A3 small x original O capital RIGINAL product PRODUCT key capital K EY. Press enter. Now this is my product key here. Of course I'm not gonna give you my product key, so I have put the sensor here, but maybe someday I'll give to the lucky winners as a giveaway. But anyway, if you didn't see your product key, then either you have the command wrong or you are using the pirated version of Windows. So this is the quick tutorial on how to find or see product key in Windows 10. If you guys want more videos like this, then just comment down below what video you want. I'll just make it for you guys. That being said, stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning. Goodbye everybody. See you in the next video.